Before visiting Asheville, North Carolina, USA, here are some things to know. Scenic Beauty. Asheville is known for its breathtaking mountain views and outdoor activities. Be prepared for stunning landscapes and diverse natural attractions. Artistic Hub. Asheville has a vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, studios, and street performances. Explore the local art culture during your visit. Craft Beer Capital. Asheville is renowned for its craft breweries. If you enjoy craft beer, you're in for a treat with numerous local breweries offering unique brews. Diverse culinary scene. The city boasts a diverse culinary scene, with farm-to-table restaurants and eclectic eateries. Enjoy a mix of southern and international flavors. Historic architecture. Asheville features charming historic architecture. Take a stroll through neighborhoods like Montford to appreciate the city's unique buildings. Outdoor adventures. Whether hiking, biking, or rafting, Asheville offers plenty of outdoor activities. Check the weather and plan accordingly for your preferred adventure. Biltmore Estate. A must-visit is the Biltmore Estate, a historic mansion with beautiful gardens. Plan your visit to explore the grandeur of this iconic attraction. Live music scene. Asheville is a hub for live music, ranging from intimate venues to outdoor concerts. Check for local performances and events happening during your stay. Festivals and events. Asheville hosts various festivals and events throughout the year. Check the local calendar to see if any events coincide with your visit. Eclectic Shopping. Downtown Asheville offers unique boutiques and shops. Explore the local shops for handmade crafts, vintage finds, and artistic creations. Weather variability. Asheville experiences varying weather conditions, even within a day. Pack layers and be prepared for potential weather changes. Sub-hospitality. Experience the warmth of Southern hospitality. The locals are friendly, and the city has a welcoming atmosphere. Parking considerations. Downtown parking can be limited. Plan ahead or consider using public transportation to navigate the city easily. Altitude awareness. Asheville is situated at a higher elevation. If you're not accustomed to higher altitudes, take it easy to acclimate yourself. COVID-19 guidelines. Stay informed about any current health guidelines or restrictions to ensure a safe visit. These tips can help you make the most of your trip to Asheville, providing a memorable experience in this charming city. Kindly share your desired destinations and the specific information you're seeking. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. Explore our websites, New Beginning and My New Beginning, representing the digital enterprises that have afforded us the financial freedom to pursue our travel aspirations. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you're aiming to develop your solopreneurship. Visit Soupaps for a collection of travel vlogs and blogs centered around mindset and spirituality. Inform us of your preferences, and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Thank you, and may you be blessed abundantly.